Hello everyone. Today we will discuss Scenario Manager in MS Excel. Scenario Manager is a what-if analysis tool which works on different scenarios provided to it. You can see the impact of changing input values without changing the actual data. We can say that it can be used to compare the data or products. The shortcut for Scenario Manager is Alt plus T plus E. So let's start the practical. Here you can see that I can already type one scenario data, that is Sahil Tour and Travel Agency package for Dharamshala in the month of June. The prices of according to their category is defined. The total of this package in the month of June is, we can calculate it. It's 50,000. Now I want to compare the other packages with this package. For this we can click on Data tab, What If Analysis, then Scenario Manager. Click on Add button. Now we can give the name of the second scenario, that is Dalhousie in June. In changing cell, we can delete this cell range. Now we can select this data. In the comment section, if you want to type, you can already type. I can type over here Dalhousie package. Click on OK. Now here you can see that each field will be displayed. The first is city. In the city data we can change over here, that is Dalhousie. Sightseeing charges is 10,000. We can update it. We can it's 12,000 now. Pickup and drop charges, there is in the Dharamshala trip there is a 5,000. Now we can increase 2,000, 7,000. Breakfast, lunch, dinner charges is 15,000 in the Dharamshala trip. Now we can increase 2,000, it's 17,000. Stay in hotel, there is a 20,000. Here we can also increase 2,000, that is 22,000 now. Click on OK. To compare these two scenarios, I can create one more scenario. Click on Add button. I can give the Shimla in June. I can select the data. In the comment section, if you want to type, this is the Shimla package. Click on OK. Now make the changes in these boxes. Change the city, that is Shimla. Then sightseeing charges is, we can increase now 3,000 in each category. 13,000. Then pickup charges 8,000. Breakfast, lunch, dinner charges 18,000. That is 23,000. Okay. Now you can see I can create two scenarios. One is Dalhousie and second is Shimla. Now if you want to compare these two scenarios with the current Dharamshala scenario. For this, we can click on summary button. Now, where is the result will be displayed? Where is the update? Click on this cell, click on OK. Now you can see one new sheet will be available, that is scenario summary. Here, this is the actual data, that is 50,000, and second scenario that we created for Dalhousie, the total package for this 58,000, and for Shimla package there is a 62,000. If now this is the to create a scenario for the same worksheet, data available in the same worksheet. If you want to compare the one scenario to another scenario, second scenario is in sheet 2, then how we can compare that two scenarios? For them, we can click here in sheet 2. I can already type the data, that is Dharamshala trip for the July month. For this, first of all, we need to create a scenario. Click on data tab, what if analysis, then scenario manager. We can delete, then click on add. Dharamshala in July. Select the data. In the comment section, if you want to type, you can type July Dharamshala. Okay, click on OK. Make some changes. All the changes we already typed. There is no updation. Click on OK. Now click on close button. If you want to create the other two scenarios that is already typed on in the sheet 1, we can click on close button, then click on sheet 1, then click on data tab, click on what if analysis, scenario manager. Here these two scenarios we already created in the sheet 1. Now we want to merge the sheet 2 scenario. For this, we need to click on merge option. Then which tab we will create the second scenario, that is in sheet 2. Click on the sheet 2 tab. Okay. Now you can see Dharamshala in July, it is already added. Now we can click on summary button. Where is the result will be update? Click on that cell, click on OK. Now you can see second sheet scenario summary 2 will be available. This is the actual data, and this is the data for Dalhousie, this is the data for Shimla, and this is the data for Dharamshala in the month of July. This is the data that is already typed. This is a use of scenario manager. Thank you.